Give on the shot clock. 5 minutes 27. Inbound. Bounce pass. He's on. Fake and fires. Field. Makes it work. Balik sa dalawa ang malamang. Gomez ngayon. Gomez pa rin. Gomez ang itisgarte. Gomez pa rin. Quitting on the shot clock. Turpa. Long drain. Inbound. Out of bounds. James Barca, 6-4, dalawa lang. Long drain. In and out. Rebound. Bago pa ng bola. Rebound sa 31. 50 on the shot clock. Gilbert Steele. Okay, dami lang ka. One throw. Improper uniform. Don't stop. Throw ka. Hindi nata. Lois. Okay, 7-6, 1 point. Jazz Arville. Oh, Jazz, 31, kami tangan. Before. Ayun daw. 17. Okay, Bookings 30 go. 14 on the shot clock, now play. Keep count. 10 on the shot clock, keep ball. Lots as a yard. Was there no ball zone? Talo ulit. Pangilinan. Pasa, Lois. Logan, even number 14. Sige ba? Ito yung ulit. Wala na naman ang pangilinan ulit. Dapat sa gitna. Surpass the players. Pangilinan ulit naman. Bago na. Alfonso is up in number 31. And a nice defense. Is their late goal. Rising Agasa at Defensa. And gets original foul number 77. First personal foul, warning for Philly. Pass to ball. Next pass to down. Hindi na nakalabas. Pass to Pangilinan. 1 minute and 40. 7-7. Join. Big count. Masa. Tira. Oh, hindi ang mungkin siyas. Sige. Okay, down. First contact, warning for penalty, both teams. John Royce here, no, 1 minute exactly. Shot clock 15. 12 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Take it and fire. Wala. 46 seconds. Ang mga sa number 28. First personal penalty. Okay, revolver, pangalinan. 20 seconds, shot clock is there. Strike down, official score natin 8-0, deadlock lang mga kaibigan. Only strike down, white ball. Okay, depensa ang lagsta. Okay, deadlock lang tayo.
Ready?
Tuwan line. Okay, Mr. Isip. First kick down. No three, malakas. Ibiang. Jack is number. Who's his buddy? Rodri Gomez. Pass. Robin. Long range. Wala. Rebound. Carmel. stop. Gomez pa rin, Enriquez dati. On this possession. Gomez yung tinambay. Gomez, 15 on the shot clock. Gomez pass for Easy cross. Easy drive. Is it in? Put back. Put back. And gets a result. Now, on jersey number 11. First contact, first detail of both teams. Passenger number, Sunderland Zala, drive, or shot, easy. Nakatake, drive, and Winslow, Ushimel, jersey number 9, first personal, 17 down.
Maganda pag puno-puno ko dito. Oo, maingay.
15 seconds shot clock. Pass, wide open, operating to it. Ibiang Basangin, down the Basangin. Attacking the basket, mid drop, fake and pass again. Fake, fires, good. Nabasa isa. Asa, ball fires, good. Ano? Velocity time now, velocity 30 tatlo lang yung kawan. Got the ball in. Oh, yung nasa tatlo. Binigay yung pass. Balanzano. Canlas. Pump and part of the field. In and out. Rebound. Pass it up in. Magandang pasa. Alas. Tamado. Wala pa rin. Third attempt na natin. Shot clock. 10 seconds. Easy. 8 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Block 2. Look it. Ibiang Basangin na velocity. 6 hands and 5. Bawa na bola. Pasa sa kanan. Sa taas ng last. 13 on the shot clock. 31. Drive. Kick out. Wide open. Nandiyan sa 2. Get for 2. 34. Wala sa isa. 5 minutes and 40. Here's the ball. Ay sila. Pagpina na. 5 minutes and 31 seconds. seconds. 7 on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock. 5. Wala. Rebound. Good job. Good. Rebound. Offensive rebound. And there's the whistle on the dead on it. Last possession now. 14 on the shot clock. Number 27, Bell. Working down the ball for jersey number 29. For the continuation play for 20. Adito Rosado is real. Down Bell. 14 on the shot clock. Rebound. Pass. Salamas. Go for the shot clock. Go up. Drive. 10-second shot clock. And here's the whistle. Goes Bell. Here's the number 31. Double change 5. Tutros ka mamalo. Walang jumper siya, walang jumper siya. Sige, walang jumper siya. Ganun naman talagang change 5. Okay ka pa to? Ano ba? Isap ka? Inasap ka? Wala? Hindi ako. Okay, hindi ako. Sige, bal. Pull up. Good for 2. Okay, mabasa isa. Yes, number 31. Top win. The team of Bellstown. To the home. Long 3. Look it. Offensive rebound. Kamako speed. Pop. And a whistle voice. First contact. Warning for penalty. Madilim, madilim. Iya mo lang yung ganyan, no? Oh, yes. Don't say shot clock. Kapitangan, 10-second shot clock. Kick out. Pass, give ball. Bounces the drain. Get the point. 84 na naman. Okay, rebound. Kasi na siya. Pass, left wing. Queen. Lights up. Coulter. Wala. Rebound. Sa team ng ginakam. Nakataka ngayon. Bigay pass. Pull up James. Basket. Okay, dalawa na lang. It's in 40. Six kilo shot clock. Side step kick out. 10 seconds shot clock. Down, 7 on the shot clock. Wala. Tulis thinking, okay, chance na naman. Natintinata, pinasa sa halaban. Number 31. Reverse number 23, Samato. Gilbert Zero. Pinadaan sa ilalim. Isabel, number 28. Self-personal foul, penalty. Okay, inbound. Fifteen on the shot clock. That's Doyle. 12 seconds. Lois. Nice pass. Where we going? Gilbert Zero. Back to the flow. 1 minute and 20. Ano ba yung ball? Roller wala. Nice game. Nakakabagay na mga dito din na. Sumunod na situation. Alfonso. Derecho. Offensive. Really wala. Ano sa promo. Stay to them. 16 on the shot clock. Oh, inbound. Big pass. Pangilinan. 12 second shot clock. Kick out. Corona. 10 second shot clock. Break. Direct. Kakalkam. Sinagasa. Malakas. Trip back. It's good. Alright. So, isa ka lang. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Number 14. 15 on the shot clock. Big pass. Big poke again. Wala. Around 55 seconds. 2021 is ang nalalang natin.
Atin po dito sa doon. Ayun, atin po dito sa doon.
Dribble the ball. 15 on the shot clock. Screen. Alfonso. 12 on the shot clock. Sweet pass. It's good. Team Stewart. 22-21. Warning to the game. Hindi na din nata. 22-21. Lakas na. King din nata. 37 seconds. Both teams warning for the game. 37 seconds.
Patay! Patay! Aray ko!
Oh, continuous the warning.
Aray po! Ano na?
18 on the shot clock. Team 4. Kamato. Fake. Drive. Spin. Fires. Good. Team Stewart. Top clock is 10. 20 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Yes, and number 20. 16 seconds, wait for the buzzer. 12 seconds, wait for the buzzer. 10 seconds on the clock, screen by Corona. 7 seconds. Launch of Ray. Duggan. Okay, 3.9 seconds.
3.9 seconds.
Yes.
Ano? Pa?
Intercepted. 2 seconds. Long play. Duggan.
Paano na yan?
Nakalamangan ang non-stop. Pag-naging score. Ako yung score na kayo. White ball.
Oh, okay dito.
5
turanda ako.
Okay, dalawang pa rin ang CS, no? Dalawang pa rin ang CS. Open stop nila, open stop.
May na dito, oh. Bisa ng combo niya.
Hindi na lang.
Turanda.
Okay, pass. Ayun pa lang. Okay, nice D. Ay, Bernardino CS. Okay, Jackson. Five. Nakawala. Bill down.
Boom!
Technical.
Ang bola, oh.
Okay, one row.
Yata itong bola, eh. Turanda na. Turanda pa dito. Bukan bukan to. Ito tukang bola. Itong bola, eh. Yabi ako.
Okay, Bill locked up. Okay, nakawin. Jumpa. Gomez ulit. Tip mo na shot clock. Gomez with pass. Wide open. Long range short. Leave down. The big man. Wala. Get over. 10-second shot clock. Naipit. And a whistle. Holding down. Jersey number 2. First personal foul. First team foul.
Alright, yeah.
Okay, finding Gomez. Baligyan kay Isip. Shot clock, 12 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. 8 on the shot clock. 6 on the shot clock. 4 on the shot clock. Clock 2. In and out. Okay, rebound. Dapat nila ng Pangkart Mendoza. At gagawin sa susunod down. Hindi na kabigit ka. Sa wala. Out of bounds, turnover down.
Sakit, aray ko.
Okay, rebound. Gomez ulit. Isa lang. 16 on the shot clock, Isip. 14 on the shot clock. Left corner, ball sends to Isip. Good pop. Launch to the tray.
Boom!
Look at. Rebound. Sabihin nila naging pass. Number 19 ang sa tatawin. Dati na binnak pa mga extra pass. Pass ulit. Is Logan. Is Logan now. Pass for play. Number 14. Sakto-sakto Mr. Gomez. Number 2. Team Fever tayo. 25-24. Balik ang kalamangan.
Parang gana. Nakuha yun?
Pass to Mendoza. Cross pass. Wide open. He's on. Look at. Rebound. Rebound. It's a dark ball. No, you got that, Mr. Gomez. Pass the ball. Yul. 12-second shot clock. Gomez sa gitna. Big and pass. Easy wide open. Not just from downtown. In and out. Agaw sa bola. Maganda pa. Nasa tatlo. 27-24. $60 shot clock. Big man. Drive. Teardrop. Okay. Big down. Nagpapadaling naman. 3-on-1 situation. Mr. Isip. Sasagasa. Pero
Uli
tayo
na
dito.
eh.
Arbel Mendoza. For 18. 7th personal foul. First team foul.
Abang kami na kalaban niya. Kaya, no?
Ano? Yung pangalawa. Substitution. Yung pangalawa. Okay, Mendoza. Big pass. Long range. In and out. Offensive rebound. Kick down pass on the logo. 14 on the shot clock. Drive. Pull up, Jay. It's good. That's the line 26. Baba sa tatlo. Bigay pass again. This is number 27. Easy contact win. Yeah, 16 on the shot clock. Ipong pa rin. Cross pass ng Mato. Tama na. Kay Anderson. Grabe yung body siya. 5 ball.
Kontra yata, no?
And goes it now. You're the ball 19 on the shot clock. Lanches again. In and out. Put that is good. 29-28. Baba sa isa. Ang kalabangan ko. This is Gomez Brand. Gomez drawing. Nakawala. Puno. In and out. Bukas sa video. Half point. Kapit naman na pala. Mr. Patos na yan. Gomez take away the ball. 3-on presentation. Drive. Ball. And a whistle. Bell number 13. Mr. Gomez. Third personal bell. And first new bell. Third personal. Pass. Sweet pass. Lances. Wala. Nabitawan. Guard po. Ang isa lang. Ang kalabangan. Here's your 14. There's number 29. 14 on the shot clock. Drive. Speed through. Fire. First shot. 3 down. Fast reply. And goes up. It is single. Here's your 29. Is simple. Mga pagkasapa. And good now. Sobra. Kita down. Okay, goes up. Big advance. Sit down sa mana. 6 on the shot clock. Drive. Drop pass. Very easy. Nice quick. Drive. Good for you. Team score. Third 29 team score tayo. Isip. Wala sa depensa. Apat sa 5. Drive. Good for you. Balik ang kalamangan sa Dito Causa. Baseball pass. Pagpak sa loob.
Manay!
Sabra. Pertin, Mr. Gomez. Okay, balik ang kalamangan sa Causa. Okay, team po. Long range. Nugget. Down. Hindi na tinaga. Nire-reset. So, lang. Two situation. Extra pass. Drive. Bison. Step back. Long two. Nugget. Here you go with that baseball pass. Back to the number 14. Here down. Grab over. Pass to Amato. Drive. Fire. And a whistle. Well, here's the number 2. Second personal bell, second team bell. First rescue, sa dalawa. Second try is tusok tayo. Substitution. Shot clock, 18 seconds. Left wing wide open, long break. Awak, walang rebound, Lapato. Look at that. Dito, number 14. Tatlong sa dalawa. Drive, drop back, timpong papiso-piso lang. 34-30. Apat. Yes, Mendoza. Long three. In and out. Email. Bola. Here's the number 20. Tomato, 1 minute and 40. SC. Drive. Nasa laksa. Step back is good. 30. Anim. Pass, left wing, long range, short. Grab over. Lalagyan sa Milang Garza, pass to Mr. 14, pass to Mr. Insim, na muna. Gilbert Zero. Balik sa kanya, 55 seconds, game clock. Pass to Mr. Mendoza. Drawing. Yeah, time out.
Patay!
Sa wala. Tapos yung time out.
Para din kahit close stop. All 43 seconds. Drive. Plays it in. Hit. Nabasa nga ni 33 seconds. Bergamato. Bigay pass number 1. Deep pass. 14 seconds shot clock. On the middle. Gamato pa rin. 10 seconds. Drive. Pop. Floater shot. Wala. Shot clock is dead. 12 seconds. Reach for the cluster. Number 1. Gonzalo. Apitawan. Ross. 6 seconds. Balik. 5 seconds. Reach for the cluster. 3 seconds. Pop. Corner. There's the whistle. Okay, and the third quarter, may whistle tayo. Mr. Barna. Kapag
Wala pa. 13 ka lang.
sabi na yan.
Basket tray, call mo.
Mati na yan.
Okay, for the quarter natin, CS ball. Okay, CS ball muna, CS. Depends sa mga others. Okay, final quarter, inbound. Kaya sa likod. Sixteen on the shot clock. Left wing kick ball. Fake, drive, spin ball, and it's walang sinagalan siya. Ayaw na rin siya tayo. Okay, sub. That's on the way to number 1. Through the ball on the middle. Pass up. Ano yung mga taas? Okay, guard mo. Indian. Pass to receive. Tao-tao depensa. Tatawid kayo, number 29. Pass to the ball. 15 on the shot clock. 14 seconds to shield. Looking for Timmy. Pass. Left lane. Sa kalaban ng taba. Aabali ngayon. There's it number 1. Lays it in. Good for you. 14-26. Baba sa apat. Number 29. Is released the brand. And a whistle. The jersey number 28 sub. 28. 7 contact. First team film. Okay, babalik sa playing court. Gomez. Inbounder. Kim Paul. Long tray. Careful down.
Noted. Pamato ka na number 3. Pamato. Troy, nice team. Hop. Good for 2. 42-36, sit down. Pasa. Sa kalaban-laban na. Number 14. Ribas. Number 23, Pamato. Speed. Ball. Fires po. Kakain na po. Iba na po. 15 na shot clock. Sweet pass. Galing sa labas. Around. Easy out there. 15 seconds to shoot. Alfonso, long range. Okay, Alfonso kita naman. Tama magkatawid ang bola. Pass number 14. 14 on the shot clock. Gomez, 12 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. Isip, 8 seconds shot clock. Nakawala. And here's the whistle. Out of bounds is number 20. Deserves another first contact. 17 minutes up. And is that out?
Close ka.
First race good. Ready jumper. Jump right good. 44-36, seat down. And what's number 7? Six feet on the shot clock. Alfonso, left corner, 12 seconds. Napakita pa ang bago. And so is all. Where's Henry? Where's Wanda? Where's Nico? Where's Race Good? Ready jumpers? Down dry is good. 5:30-44. Abang sa akin. Keep ball. Place it. Six yard shot clock. Amato, make it pass. Gomez. 12 seconds to shoot. Long two. Bulagayin ako. 10 seconds shot clock. Side step. Wala. Rebound by Barona. Fastball play. Here's it number 1. Ang atake. Jelly. 44-44. Abang sa apat. Oh, hindi na. Sige, tayo lang tayo. Okay, requested time out. Jumpingan lang. Huwag masyado mainit ang ulo. 4, jersey number 13, Gomez. At of course, wrong line reverse. And jersey number 7, para sa team ng Canada. 4 fouls para Mr. Gomez. Double team foul, fouls foul. And a first foul comes number 7. And a third team foul. Okay, down. Baba sa tatlo. Hindi man counted yung unang free throw, hindi man cellphone sa ito nila. Okay, number 23. Pass number 24. Tikiao. Gomez. 15 on the shot clock. 12 second shot clock, Gomez. 10 seconds. 8 second shot clock. Tikiao, 5 seconds. Pay, 3 seconds for the buzzer. 3 seconds by the gun. Okay, wait, hold on. Ikaw di mana? There's Alfonso. Alfonso pa rin kita na. Screen. 15 on the shot clock. Roy. Drop basket. Hindi na nakapasok. Ang gawa sa Mimeo. Bakit na nag-cover? 12 second shot clock. Ika. Parang nasasagasa. Basket Elsa. 9 second shot clock. 9 on the shot clock. 9 second shot clock. Okay, huwag mong ilalakad pag galing sa dead ball. Huwag mong ilalakad pag galing sa dead ball. Okay, beyond. Yes, there's number 3, Kamato. Tama bababa ng bola. Tao-tao depensa. 16 on the shot clock. Kamato pa rin. 14 on the shot clock. Screen by Timbong. 12 seconds to shoot. Is it pump? Fires? And no good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Ang sabot ng pangin ng mga nagmamadali ngayon. Pangin ng Teresa. Resto lang. And there's a whistle. And now, there's another. Cool. Mr. Timbong. First contact, 13 fouls. Both teams have 13 fouls. Indian. 15 on the shot clock. 12 second shot clock. Pangilinan. 10 seconds per move. Look at Indian. Number 24. Pass to number 29, Mr. Easy.